狂风大雨吹得路树不停摇晃，加勒比海地区近日受到5级飓风梅丽莎侵袭，造成牙买加和古巴出现严重灾情。从空拍影像来看，不止建筑屋顶被掀翻，街道同样也是满目疮痍。
I'm just saying, if we had stayed, we'd have died. I wish I could explain the pain. The pain, don't know. But it just like your heart, stomach just burst. It just too much.
住的地方没有了，现在填饱肚子也有问题，因为农作物遭到严重破坏。可以看到一根根玉米散落在地，这些全都已经受损，无法做生意。
This Category 5 is a terrible impact for Jamaica because it's a lot of farmers lose a lot. You understand? And you know, St. Elizabeth is the food basket for everyone. You understand? Yes. So, you know, all what we have to do, we pray to God.
除了谷物、粮仓等农作物损失惨重，畜牧业者也面临巨大危机。从空中俯瞰，鸡舍残破不堪，存活的鸡只们被挤在狭窄空间，因为它们的安身之地也没了。
But it is totally destroyed now. We have more than 15,000 dead birds, but we still have a lot of live birds. But there is no facility for them, so they will eventually die. And starvation is going to kick in, serious starvation.
All right, me lose over, you have to call it about 13 goat me lose, because I don't find some of them. And we don't know if they know where else different. You understand me? And about 8 hog. Me lose about 20 rabbit. And some common fowl. And about 50 chicken.
生活变得举步维艰，因为这是牙买加有记录以来最强烈的风暴。目前救援与善后工作紧急进行中，当地政府还将设立多座临时医院，只希望灾后重建能尽速还给受灾户一个居住家园。气象预报公司估计，西加勒比海地区总损失将达480亿至520亿美元。记者黄有柔、万俊良综合报道。财经新闻不漏接，赶快下载非凡新闻 APP。